How to pay Elevenlabs with Google Pay. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to pay your subscription in Elevenlabs by using Google Pay. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, there are a couple of steps that you need to do so that you can use Google Pay. So the first thing is that Google Pay is only available in certain countries. So what you can do is just visit this link right here to check if your country is available by using the Google Pay method. Next is that you need a Google Chrome browser. So Google Pay is not integrated with other web browsers, so the Google Pay button will not show at checkout. So you must use a Google Chrome browser. Next is that when making an account, you should sign in with the correct Google account. So prior to checking out, log in to the Google account that is associated with the Google Pay account you intend to use for the transaction. Then after that, what you need to do now is check the payment settings in Google Chrome. So the Google Pay button will not show if certain payment settings are disabled in Chrome. So for the Chrome desktop, open Chrome settings, click autofill in the menu, followed by payment methods, and then enable save and fill payment methods. And for Android phones, open Chrome settings and tap on payment methods, and then enable save and fill payment methods. Then after that, you should ensure that a valid card is added to Google Pay. So Google Pay checkout will not be available unless a valid card is already saved to your Google Pay account. Next is that Google Pay may not be available on older devices. So if your device or your Google Chrome are not on the latest date available, updating might allow you to check out with Google Pay. And then additional info regarding about Google Pay is that Google Pay checkout may not be available, or Google may not be able to verify your card if you're connected to a VPN or you're using a rooted device. So if you're using a VPN, you should turn it off so that you can use Google Pay. And if your phone is rooted, that means this won't work for you. And then once you're able to use Google Pay, it might take up to 5 minutes for Google Pay checkout to become available after meeting the requirements listed above. And then after that, once you're done doing the requirements that are needed above, there will now be a Google Pay option in your Elevenlabs. So as you can see over here, they already have a Google Pay option. So make sure that you should follow the steps right here so that you can enable Google Pay in your Elevenlabs. So as an example, I'll just go to Elevenlabs right here, go to my profile, go to subscription, and then to check out if Google Pay is available in your country, just click on manage subscription right here. And then after that, on the payment methods, there should be an option right here that will allow you to use Google Pay. So as you can see, Google Pay is not available in my country right now since I live in the Philippines. So it says right here, is Google Pay available in the Philippines? No, Google Pay is not yet available in the Philippines. So yeah, my country is not yet supported with Google Pay, but if your country is, it will just show right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to pay your Elevenlabs subscription by using Google Pay.